Hi, it's attorney Bob Diamond. Ron asked me to share with you what I'm going to be covering at my live event and why you need to be there. I'm going to be pulling back the curtain on this amazing business that I found where I make money at foreclosure auctions without ever bidding on a property, without ever paying for a property, without ever putting down a deposit. I found a really simple, amazing business that allows me to make more money at auctions than people that bid and put up money. I don't feel tenants, termites, and toilets or any of that. You're going to love this business if you want a clean business where you don't have to borrow any money or put up a lot of capital, but you just make money. And best of all to me, you get to really help people while you're doing it. This is an amazing business. It's perfect to add on to your existing business. It's also perfect for newbies who are thinking, I want to try something, but I don't want to put up a lot of money. Maybe I don't want to put up credit or don't have credit. Makes a difference in this particular business. So make sure that you sign up for Ron's event if you're not already signed up. And when you get there, make sure that you attend my session because I promise you're going to love it. I'm going to pull back the curtains on something really amazing. This is attorney Bob Diamond. I'll see you at Ron's event.